guys, so
Nalaman na aksidente ako.
I was there. Nakaputing down ka. In fact, medyo nag-worry ako because it seems like you lost consciousness. But eventually, you woke up, you opened your eyes, but you didn't say much. I guess you were still in a state of shock.
Doc,
Yes.
I'm sorry. Doc,
Vince Ramos.
thank you, Dr. Ramos. By the way, I'm
Adrian, I remember.
Adi. Adi
Excuse
na
me,
lang.
sir. Your coffee. May I?
Sure. Sige.
kayo na to guys. So, nagwasa ng comment.
Sorry yung lawyer ko hindi na makakarating.
Kailangan mo na abogado?
Ano lang, consultation.
Well, I'm a lawyer. Pwede kitang bigyan ng free consultation.
Free legal advice.
Para sa libreng kape. Tsaka para makabawi na rin ako sa'yo.
I want to file for annulment. Anong suggestion? Legal separation muna?
Well, adultery is not grounds for annulment. Although adultery can be grounds for your next marriage. Ganyan ang nangyari sa tatay ko.
So ina-assume mo na ako yung nagloko?
Di ba?
Hindi. Ako yung ginago. Ang asawa ko at nung best friend ko.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Kaya nga sinabi mo sa akin na nakipag-break up sa boyfriend mo, inassume ko rin na ikaw yung nagloko.
Excuse me. Mukha ba ka manloloko?
Hindi. I'm sorry if I offended you. You know what? I have to leave for the hospital. May emergency doon. Will you be okay here?
So guys, the thumbnail is I don't want it.
Well, naka-life ka. Saka marunong ka naman lumakoy, di ba?
Okay guys, so man ako. Wala ako na butang na filter and no germs, okay?
24 years, Vince. Itatapon mo na lang yan ng basta-basta?
Naisip mo ba yan? Nang ginawa mo yung ginawa mo?
Please. Paulit-ulit na
Yun
natin.
na nga eh.
And this.
Para hindi na ito paulit-ulit.
This is the
tapusin na natin
legend.
to.
And this is the lip gloss, and this is the. Okay, I don't know this, but click the like and the button. Bye.